Today, I'm going to give you some of the best English advice that I can think of. This came to me when I was doing my subjects. This was the difference between the 4s, 5s, 6s and the really, really high grades. And it's all because of one word. My name is Henry Brown. I got 10 lines in my GCSEs. Please make sure to subscribe. Please leave a like. I just do as much videos as I can to help you with GCSEs, A-levels, revision, and your life in general. I'm going to get straight into this point. I'm trying to produce a lot of videos just with as much information as I possibly can give to you. I will respond to all comments as well. The word here with English is because. It's such an underrated word, even though it seems so simple. When I'm writing questions, and it's really important your answers answer the actual specific question asked, I would always just want you to take it a little bit further with the word because. It's no use saying something like, the writer uses a simile and this keeps the reader engaged. Or this simile is interesting and makes the reader want to read on. Add that word in and I guarantee you will take your English grades up massively. The writer uses simile which makes the reader want to read on because the character now appears relatable or the character appears scary, and so this generates a sense of fear which makes the reader blah blah blah, yeah? You see what I'm saying? It's that word because. Just really actively, when you've got that in your head in the exams and you're thinking, why? Why is this? This works with a lot of other subjects as well, but why is this actually engaging? What about this makes the reader want to read on? What about this quote shows that Lady Macbeth is aggressive or manipulative? Add the words because in as much as you can to your essays, and I guarantee you'll see an improvement. And it's just all about thinking, how can I stretch it further? Those extra few sentences of analysis literally is the difference between the lower grades and the higher grades with English and a lot of essay subjects. Go try that out. In your next essay, just at least have that in your head. Have my voice in your head saying why. And you need to justify it with a because. Don't make unjustified statements in English. Put because. Really try and explain it and analyze it. I hope the video was helpful. Please make sure to leave a like. I'll be doing lots of videos just like this in the future. So make sure you're subscribed as well with notifications on.